Welcome to Carolina Science Online. This tutorial will show you how to manage your school account as the school administrator and how to help other teachers join your school. In order to get to the school administration options, log in to your Carolina Science Online account at carolinascienceonline.com. Use your email address as your username and provide your password on the next screen. Once logged into Carolina Science Online, click on your Profile menu in the upper right corner and select the Administration Panel link. Next, click on the School icon, and in case you are administrating more than one school, choose your school from the list. As the administrator for your school, you are the only user that has access to the school code used by other teachers and students to join your school on Carolina Science Online. Make a note of your school code and email this to teachers in your school. You can also use this school code to invite students to join your school when they create their own students account on the site. Using the School Admin section, you can also manage school groups, manage teacher and student accounts, redeem access codes, and manage active products. If needed, you can also add other teachers as administrators to your school account. To return to your teacher console, click on your username, select Teacher Application from the drop-down box.